Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Kuta on a street called Jalan Raya Kuta, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is an accommodation called Rhadana Hotel. Okay, so today's video, for all of you people that are into your reggae music and particularly fans of the famous Bob Marley, then today might be of interest to you. I'm going to share with you a Bob Marley themed room here at the Rhadana. Okay, so here's a view of the Rhadana from across the street. Here's a close-up on the Rhadana. The rooms along the side there. Up the steps now. Seating area here at the front. So to the side there. Just as we step foot inside, there's a main reception desk area at the back. Some seating areas here for guests. And this is the restaurant area where you're going to be served your breakfast. Okay, so this is the Bob Marley room here at the Rhadana. This is room 4420. I'll take you around and show you inside. Ooh la la. So just as we step foot inside the room, we're greeted by two twin beds joined together as a double bed. You can have this in a double bed option. We have the big Bob Marley decoration behind the bed, beautiful Bob Marley theme on the bed, bedside cabinets either side, bedside lighting either side. Just turn around and show you the wall. More Bob Marley memorabilia here on the wall. All the old records. Bedside cabinet, and phone, PowerPoint in the side back there. There's a bedside reading light. There's a Bob Marley picture on the wall behind the bed. Bedside cabinet on this side. Also have a bedside lamp, another bedside reading light. Another angle on your bed. Okay, so just turning around, opposite we have a flat screen TV, international channels provided, Wi-Fi also provided, desk underneath, synthetic chairs, soft cushion seating. Just up above there, before I forget, is our air conditioning. There's a close-up on the seat, that's even a Bob Marley theme also. LG flat screen TV. Just down below there we have a mini refrigerator. Kettle, plug socket in the back, 2 bottles of aqua, cups, tea, coffee, sugar. Just turning to the side here, we have some more Bob Marley Jamaican Nights memorabilia, light on the wall there. Just over to the side here, we have an open wardrobe. Just in the top there, metal rail, some wooden hangers. Have a wastebasket in the base there, safety deposit box on the shelving there. So next we're going to take you into the bathroom. So just as we step foot inside the bathroom, we're greeted by a huge mirror, have lighting up above there. There's a wash basin down below. Start from left to right, so we have some amenities provided. PowerPoint on the wall there, glasses, tissue box, immaculately clean wash basin, nice surface, some towels underneath. Just to the side there is a toilet, also provided with bum wash. Wastebasket down below there, and then just here we have a walk-in enclosed glass shower cubicle. Just down below we have a towel on the floor there, handheld shower, soap dish in the corner, immaculately clean floor. Okay, so just for our main reception desk area, we're going to walk through the corridor down to the swimming pool area. So we have elevators on the side here to all the floors. here, and there's a swimming pool area. This is a shallow pool. We have a step down into the pool there. Some wooden sun lounges at the back here. And here we have some steps down into the pool and a seating area. There's a cascading water feature. There's the name on the back there. Some synthetic chairs, synthetic tables. There's a swimming pool. Beautiful cascading water feature. There's trees. The cascading water feature there.